Hey there. If you're having trouble and want to learn how to fix Monopoly Go not working on iPhone, you've come to the right place. Monopoly Go is a favorite among mobile gamers, offering endless fun and strategy. But nothing breaks the gaming mood like tech glitch. In this guide, we'll walk you through different ways you can get Monopoly Go running smoothly again on your iPhone. Step 1. Check for app update. First things first, make sure your Monopoly Go app is up to date. Outdated versions are a common cause of bugs and glitches. Open the App Store on your iPhone, tap on your profile icon at the top right, and scroll down to see if Monopoly Go shows up under Upcoming Automatic Updates. If it's listed, tap Update next to the app. Regular updates often fix known issues and enhance performance. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes all it takes to fix an unresponsive app is a restart. Hold down the power button, swipe to turn off, and then power your iPhone back on. This will refresh your system and might resolve any temporary software conflicts causing Monopoly Go to misbehave. Step 3. Clear cache and data. If your game is still acting up, clearing the app cache might help. Go to Settings, scroll down and find Monopoly Go, then tap Clear Cache. This action removes temporary files that could be causing issues. Note that this won't delete your game data, so there's no need to worry about losing your property. Step 4. Reinstall the app. No luck so far? Try uninstalling and reinstalling Monopoly Go. Tap and hold the app icon until it jiggles. Then select Remove App followed by Delete App. Once removed, head back to the App Store, search for Monopoly Go, and reinstall it. This fresh start can often alleviate corrupt files or installation errors. Step 5. Check your network connection. A stable internet connection is essential for a seamless gaming experience. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or that your cellular data is enabled and has a good signal. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. If network instability is the culprit, this should get you back. Step 6. Verify system updates. Make sure your iPhone's operating system is up to date, as app compatibility issues can arise from running older software. Go to Settings, then General, and select Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install. System updates often include patches for common bugs and support for newer apps. Step 7. Free up storage space. An overstuffed iPhone may struggle to run apps smoothly. Check your storage by going to Settings, then General, and tapping iPhone Storage. Clear unnecessary files and apps to free up space. Monopoly Go will benefit from having adequate memory to load and operate efficiently. By following these steps, you'll likely resolve any issues causing Monopoly Go to malfunction on your iPhone. Regular updates, a stable network connection, and sufficient storage are crucial to ensuring a smooth gaming experience. Remember, technology can sometimes be finicky, but a little troubleshooting often does the trick. Enjoy getting back to strategizing, conquering in Monopoly Go.